Okay, this is just a quick video to show you some things that Snap and Read can do in Virtual SC. So one of the first things you'll need to do is be on your school laptop. When you are on your school laptop, if you look at the very top of your page when you open up Google Chrome, it will be important that you open up Google Chrome. When you open this up, look along the browser bar, and at the very top you'll see this icon for Snap and Read. If you click this icon, it's going to ask you to sign in, and so when you come into the sign in page, you need to use your school email. Okay, so I'm going to put in my school email. Yours would be your last name and first initial at student.acpsd.net. Click on continue. You're going to go to your work or school account. You're going to enter your password. So here, I'm just going to put in my password and sign in. And yes, I'm going to stay signed in. Okay. Now you're going to notice that this Snap and Read button is going to turn blue. And now there is a brand new bar over on the side. This is a toolbar for Snap and Read. We're going to click on the Snap and Read icon here. We're going to go down to options. And when you open this up, you're going to notice a couple of things. First, this translate into is going to be toggled off. Toggle that on, and you can choose your language. So I'm going to go down here. You can choose Spanish. Look at all this list of languages, okay? But I'm going to come here to Romanian, okay? Now, notice that when we go to Romanian, it'll translate into Romanian here, right? The other thing that you can do is over here where it says simplify words, it's set to default. You can turn that off and have that go wherever you want it to, or you can move this around a little bit. So if you go to the default, the words are automatically going to be sort of in the middle of understanding, not too high and not too low. Okay, so we have set it to translate into Romanian. Now notice there's no Romanian voice installed, so it's not going to read this to you in Romanian. But if you chose another language, let's say that you chose Spanish. Okay, so we're going to scroll down here. Let's say you needed Spanish, so you scroll down to Spanish. If you do that, notice that it does have a translate voice, and in Spanish, it will also read to you. Right? So let's go back to Romanian, however. I just want to show you this. There's so many different languages here that are available. Okay, so we go to Romanian. All right, so let's say we're going to the SC Virtual. One of the things that you'll notice now is on my toolbar here on the side, I've got Speak, I've got Screenshot Reader, I've got Simplify Vocabulary, and then I've got a Translate. You want to click on the Translate, it's going to turn this bluish color. And now, when I highlight text, it automatically translates this into Romanian. Okay, if I had it on Spanish, it would automatically translate it into Spanish. Now, I can click on Speak, and I can click
latest Virtual SC news and updates. Visit our news page for more. 5 strategies.
So it will read only the information in English if I've got it set to Romanian, but it will translate all of this into Romanian. So just be aware that depending upon what language you choose, that's whether or not it will be able to read that to you in that language. But hopefully this will help you and make it a little bit easier, especially when you're working in Virtual SC. This will work on all text and instructions in Virtual SC.